Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The chapter name is Deep Water, which is written by Williams Douglas, born in 1898 up to 1980. Was born in Marne, Minnesota. The place where he born, that is mentioned here, that is Minnesota. After graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in English and Economics, he spent 2 years of teaching with a school in Yakima. However, he got tired of this and decided to pursue a legal career. He met Franklin D. Roosevelt at Yale and became an advisor and friend to the president. Douglas was a leading advocate of individual rights. He retired in 1975 with a term lasting 36 years and remained the longest service justice in the history of the court. Now, we are going to first I am going to say for sorry about sorry we have already completed about the author. Now we are going to take another gist of the story. The gist of the story is deep water Williams O. Douglas. The deep water is an excerpt taken from O Man and Mountain by Williams O. Douglas, a leading advocate of individual right and a justice in the court of USA. It reveals how as a young boy he nearly drowned in a swimming pool. He talked about his fear of water and thereafter how he finally overcome it. That is the short gist. Okay, and about the character, only here the character is William Douglas, the narrator itself. He as a child got afraid of water due to two frightening incidents in his childhood, but later on overcome his fear with sheer determination and willpower. Now we are going to discuss about the summary of the chapter. The narrator developed an aversion to water at a young age. The narrator recalls a horrific incident that happened to him when he was 10 or 11 years old. He had decided to learn swimming and the YMCA pool gave him the opportunity as it was safe. It was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, and while it was 9 feet deep at the other end, the drop was gradually. In comparison, the Yakima River was treacherous. The narrator's mother continued to warn him against it. She kept reminding him about the detail of each drowning incident in the river. The narrator developed an aversion of water at the age of 3 or 4 when his father took him to the beach in California. The waves knocked him down and swept over him. He was buried in water and was breathless. He was terrorized by the strong forces of the waves, but his father had only laughed. Okay, that's all. We will continue on the next part. Thank you. Have a nice day.